Bubble tea is a popular drink that is enjoyed by many in the world today, and if this is one of your favorite drinks to enjoy, or you're just looking for a new favorite drink to enjoy in the heat of summer, then let me show you how to easily make this tasty drink at home and what you can use as an alternative to tapioca pearls. To start, bubble teas are often made with black teas, but it can easily be made at home with many different teas. We've tried with green teas as well with tasty results, so make sure to watch till the end as we will show you our favorite teas that work great for bubble tea.
Fracking Creations, a YouTube variety channel that touches different parts of your life. Want more videos on
DIY?
Subscribe to the channel or check out our website.
Step 1. Make the tea. You can use tea bags or loose leaf tea, but in either case, you will need to make the tea strong. So the two ways we will do this is to increase the amount of tea leaves and steep longer. Depending on the tea you use, you may even need to use 3 times to 4 times the amount of tea, so keep that in mind. For example, some teas like green teas are not as strong, and so you will need to use more tea leaves. As for steeping, we will steep the tea for 10 to 15 minutes with boiling hot water. Step 2. Add mini boba and sugar. Typically, bubble tea will have tapioca pearls added, but we found a great alternative that works well and is easy to use. Plus, it's healthier. Not that bubble tea is healthy to begin with, but enjoying it every now and then is okay. For our mini boba, we use chia seeds. As you can see here, when the chia seeds are soaked in a liquid, they absorb it and become gelatinous, which works very well for bubble milk tea. For sweetness, we will be using brown sugar. After adding the brown sugar and chia seeds, stir and let soak for a few minutes in the hot tea to activate the chia seeds. Check out our blog post for the recipe and tips, including how to make enough for a 2-liter jug. Step 3. Add milk and chill. We have found that evaporated milk works best for bubble tea. Some people prefer to use condensed milk instead, but with evaporated milk, you can control the amount of sweetness through the amount of sugar you add. Depending on the type of tea you use, you may need to add more or less milk. Darker teas tend to need more. By the way, don't use regular milk. Hey, if you enjoy our videos, please make sure to share, subscribe, and like. For bubble milk tea, you should always drink it cold. Make sure it's at least fridge cold or it won't taste as good. For this step, add ice, but note that it will dilute the milk tea, and you don't want to do that too much or it won't taste good. Alternatively, you can chill in the fridge before serving and it will maintain its full flavor. Serve with a reusable straw. As a bonus for watching to the end of our video, here are some of our favorite milk teas to make. Earl Grey is used to make royal milk tea. Here we have our favorite from 2 Leaves and a Bud. I love the sweet aromas every time I open this. Another favorite is oolong milk tea. You can also use green teas. We've tried Japanese green tea and even genmaicha. And yes, this works well for orange pekoe too. Lastly, try with your favorite teas and let us know how it goes. Enjoy!